This video details the Mitsubishi S12R-T2 MPTK marine diesel engine. It is a brand new model with a power output of 1,210 kilowatts, with 2 sets available for direct factory supply. Here is a close-up of the engine's information plate, confirming the model S12R-T2 MPTK, rated output of 1,210 kilowatts, and the manufacturer as Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. This image provides a view of the engine, highlighting its robust design and components. Another angle of the Mitsubishi S12R-T2 MPTK marine engine, showcasing its complexity and industrial build. Finally, a view from the opposite side, emphasizing the engine's scale and various external fittings.